Hey guys, Jason surviving dad life again. I know I talked about in a recent video how I was getting into making cocktails and I was kind of like experimenting with it. Well, with Thanksgiving coming up, like in 2 or 3 weeks, I thought to myself, how about we'll do three? Did I do three? Yeah, it was three easy cocktails that you can do at your Thanksgiving shindig or when you're, what do they call them, friendsgiving or something, if you have friends over or whatever and you're gonna have a drink. But here I'm gonna do three cocktails that are kind of, they'll make you think of Thanksgiving, I guess, whether it be from having cranberries in it or I guess the warm bourbon. I don't know. Anyway, the first drink we're going to start out with is called a just a cranberry bourbon sour. And everything I'm making today is going to be real simple. We're going to start out. I wonder how well the ice, you can hear it on the mic. Anyway, we're going to load it up. A little bit of ice. Bourbon. Bourbon. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to use for your bourbon. The more expensive bourbons I have, I keep in the house for like sipping on. The cheaper bourbons, I put in my mixed drinks because you're not really going after a real good flavor in your bourbon because there's all kinds of stuff that's mixed in with it. Anyway, the bourbon. Glub, 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 glub. 2 ounces of bourbon. 2 ounces and a couple drops. I'm always spilling stuff. If I was a bartender for real, I'd probably lose your business money and we'd go out of business. Okay. 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Sorry if I'm looking at my directions and stuff. I need to get a board up so it tells me everything that all my ingredients and stuff. 1 ounce cranberry juice. I think there's simple syrup in this too, is there? Yep, half an ounce simple syrup. Okay. I'm already starting to mess. I know. And put your lids on your crap when you're done. All right, combine all them suckers into your shaker. Y'all remember this one? I think I did a review video on this. I'll leave a link to this shaker in the description of this video. I'll also leave links to the ingredients on all these drinks. You're gonna shake it up 15 to 20 seconds. People laughed at me when I did my dance. Shake it up about 15, 20 seconds. Get your glass. A little bit of ice. Is that thing good in the frame there? I don't know what this is going to look like. Well, it's not a bad color. It's got a little bit of that cherry color to it. Now, you can garnish this with cranberries, but I don't garnish crap because I just like to drink it. So this is going to be your cranberry bourbon sour. When you taste that, you get you can kind of taste that the bourbon's in there, but you get a little bit of the tartness from the cranberry juice and then just a slight bit of the sugar. I could drink that. And that's going to be our cranberry bourbon sour. Okay, for my next drink is going to be a twist, I guess, on the Mule. I don't know. It's apple cider Mule. This one, you don't need a shaker. You'll mix it up in the glass. And we'll get some ice for it. I wish my cameraman wasn't underage. I let him try these drinks. Probably get in trouble for that though. I'll let you try cranberry juice. Or is that too strong for you?
Okay.
Vodka. All right, don't make fun of me. I like Sky vodka. Some people make fun of them because they say it's not a good vodka. 2 ounces of vodka. I've had this vodka for a while. 1 and dos. And you know what? If you like a better vodka for mixing drinks, leave a comment down below. Oh, I need to try Tito's. I've heard Tito's is a good vodka. I should have got some yesterday while I was at the store. Apple cider. Mixed it in my cup. You what? Yeah, I know. I already made 3 trips to the liquor store yesterday. I went in there once, got a few things, and I forgot something and walked out, started backing up in the truck, and I forgot something else and had to pull right back in. This is just regular old apple cider.
8 ounces.
No, that's 4 ounces. See, this 2 ounce little measuring cup.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I need to get me a bigger jigger because on this side is 1/2 ounce. What are you laughing at? I said jigger. Don't be laughing and stuff. And on this side is 1 ounce. And then this is 2 ounce. What are you putting your arms up for? All right. The ginger beer goes in here. And once again, I don't garnish anything because I'm a guy. We just like to drink stuff. I've never tried ginger beer. Have you ever? And I don't know why they call it beer because it's non-alcoholic. Does anybody else know why they call it that? Premium ginger beer with natural flavors. Oh. Anyway, you're supposed to use 4 ounces of this, but with this glass, we're just going to top it off. Which I think is about 4 ounces. There's just a little bit in there. Here, try this. I promise you it's non-alcoholic. While he's trying that, we'll stir this up.
Not that bad.
It's not? All right, that's going to be my apple cider mule. Here we go. You really taste the ginger in this. That's going to, man, I wish you could try it. That's going to be a home run. This is delicious. You absolutely cannot taste the vodka in it. It's not super sweet. I know how like a lot of people when they drink really sweet drinks, they talk about, oh, I'll get a headache from it, or it just makes me feel bad, or whatever it may be. It's not super sweet tasting. But you can mainly taste the ginger. I really don't taste the apple cider in it. It's not bad. And, you know, between the 2 drinks that I've made, let's see. I mean, I like this apple, not apple. What the heck was that drink called?
Cranberry.
Oh, that cranberry bourbon sour. I like that one. Like, I would order this in a bar. And I give it like a 7 out of 10. This, I mean, I give it like a 6 out of 10. I might order that if I wanted something a little more mellow. But, yeah, that's pretty good. This is going to be that apple cider mule. All right, for the third drink, we're going to be making harvest punch. When I was thinking about it earlier, I was like, well, harvest, I mean, like, what are you harvesting? Like pumpkins or something? I mean, I don't know. So I thought pumpkin would be in this, but it's not. And my dog is running over here. If you hear barking, I think there was a deer running around in the background. Anyway, it's called Harvest Punch. We're going to start out with 2 ounces of cranberry juice. My little cup here. My awesome little cup. 2 ounces. Oh, and as you can tell, this isn't something that you need a shaker. You just mix it in the glass. 2 ounces of orange juice. I get the pulp-free orange juice. Maybe I should shake this.
Shake it.
There's no pulp in it, so do you really have to shake it? I don't know. It's always been weird like that. You just have to shake it. All right, 2 ounces of orange juice. All right. 1 ounce of spiced rum. I've never tried spiced rum before. And this is Sailor Jerry's. I got to reading it, and it said, crafted in honor of Norman Sailor Jerry Collins, the father of old school tattoo. So that's why I got it. I thought it was cool. Anyway, 1 ounce of spiced rum. This is not going to be a very strong drink.
Do you like strong drinks?
I like them a little stronger. Tasha doesn't. She likes them kind of weak. And then club soda. You'll take the club soda and just top her off. Wait a minute. All right. I'll just top her off. Did you know there's like a special way to stir this? They say that when you stir it, you should rotate the spoon around the edge. I have no idea why. I think it keeps the ice from jumping out, because if you don't do it, then like
That happens.
your spoon doesn't spin with it, it'll turn and flip the ice up and stuff and make a mess. You ever had club soda before?
I think I have, but it's been a while.
I don't think I've tried club soda. Is it like fizzy water? Yeah, it's fizzy water. Okay, there's our harvest punch. Okay, I guess with all the sugar from the juices, you add this club soda in there and it really tames it down. It's not... This would be something good for like Thanksgiving morning. Like how some people have screwdrivers in the morning, which you won't know this. A screwdriver is orange juice and vodka.
Oh.
And then some people make it, they'll put like a little grenadine in it to give it a little sweetness or whatever. But I could see someone drinking this. It looks like grapefruit juice. This one's not bad. It's a very neutral taste. It's not, nothing really jumps out at you. You cannot taste the spice rum. You get just a little bit of hint of orange juice in it, and that's it.
Can't taste the cranberry juice?
No. Well, see, orange juice is kind of tart, so the tartness of the cranberry is really not going to jump out. So it's just kind of a really mild tart drink. It's actually not bad. Anyway, that's our harvest punch. Okay, guys, that's going to be our 3 Thanksgiving themed cocktails. This one's going to be our cranberry bourbon sour. This is our apple cider vodka mule, and this is the harvest punch. So with Thanksgiving coming up, you guys enjoy these drinks, share them with your friends. Also, I'll leave links down in the description on each one of these recipes. You can click on the link and you can get it there. And I'll also leave a link for the shaker. I mean, it's not a traditional Boston shaker, so I mean, it's different, but this thing is really nice. If you're making, you know, you want to make 2 of these or 3 of these, there's enough room in this shaker to make 3 of those. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. You guys, you get out of here too and find your own alcohol and drinks and whatever concoctions you can come up with, and leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite recipes are and what all you've come up with. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. It really helps me out. Anyway, y'all have a happy Thanksgiving.